Ready, so I'm gonna be showing you how I get these like beachy waves. So I'm just fixing up the curls though because it kind of got messed up. So I just did those like front pieces and all. So let me show you how I do them. So I take a section of hair and I just wrap it around the barrel and I just curl away from my face. And I just don't hold it on too long. I just leave it there for a few seconds and then I let it go into the palm of my hand and then I just let it release. So this is how, these are one of the curls that look like they're like really like falling out. So I'm just gonna do this size first and wrap it around. If your hair does not hold curls, you're just gonna like while it's still long, try not to hold it on too long, and then I just like let it go into the palm of my hand and then let it go. So this is what this looks like. So yeah. I did the side here is like really good. I'm just gonna like do the other side the same way how I do it. If they're like still straight, so I'm just gonna like leave it. So normally I'm just gonna pack a little hairspray and I'm just gonna add a little bit of like hairspray, and then I'm gonna be like adding a little like hairspray like right here. Like I do these like loose beachy waves, those beachy waves,